Hey guys, what is up and welcome to a new Nvidia daily update video. So today, as per usual, let's go over Nvidia stock. Let's go over what the hell's happening in the market today, especially after hours. We just had the Trump day with the the whole tariff news, etc. So let's talk about it. I'll give you my thoughts, and yeah, let's jump into it. I just finished recording the video and I forgot to press start recording, so I'm doing it again. So I'll make this one quick. But nonetheless, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and of course, if you want my thoughts or updates, whatever, as the market is trading. Every single day the market is trading. I have a YouTube membership, just $3 a month. Link to it below. You get access to my post thoughts, updates mainly on Tesla stocks, sometimes other stocks, or $5 a month gives you access to the second tier, which includes Nvidia. So jumping into it, Nvidia closing the day up, a very humble 0.25% on the day, but obviously down substantially more post hours as Trump's tariff day. It started off good. The market actually ended up pumping initially, and then he finally brought up that. I swear that's gonna be a meme at this point. The massive billboard of reciprocal tariffs, and yeah, the market wasn't very happy about that one. Let's just say that the market wasn't happy about that one. It seems like the tariffs were a bit more aggressive than initially thought. So it is what it is. So let's see how the market ends up responding to it. Now, the quick thing I want to point out just across the market as a whole is the fact that the market has been actually opening weak and closing strong 3 days in a row, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and let's see if tomorrow is that as well, right? Because 3 days in a row it's been gapping down. Some cases pretty substantially, kind of like we have right now, just for buyers to step in and buy it all up and send it to pretty much close near the highs of the day. Again, happened Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Can it happen again tomorrow? That's kind of the question. And what overweighs what? The fact that the tariff, this kind of tariff day essentially is finally behind us, and we finally got it out of the way. We got this kind of uncertainty at the very least seemingly out of the way, and the market can now move up on some level of certainty, because the market hates uncertainty, or where the tariff, unveiled, were the numbers for the tariffs just so bad that no, that's not enough. That's not enough, right? That's the main question here, in my opinion. So let's see how that plays out moving into tomorrow. But yeah, moving into Nvidia itself, obviously, it's pretty simple, right? For the most part, Nvidia, oops, that's not Nvidia. Nvidia is back to 106, right? This 106 level is really, really important on the 1 hour chart, right? We had, nice support over here and a bounce. We had nice support over here and a bounce, had a small undercut, but we never had a daily close under pretty much 106. And we're pretty much right back there once again. So the question for me is this: 106 is crucial. The bulls want to definitely defend this 106-ish region and pretty much not get a daily close below that, because that would be concerning. But the bears want to defend, or the bulls want to break 110 to 113, right? This kind of range right over here that I have listed pretty, evidently, right? That's, a pretty important level to break for the bulls, because this level has rejected Nvidia several times before. And this is not the level that you want. This is not the level you wanted to see continued rejection at, right? This is the level that the bulls definitely want to break through to get some level of confidence moving forward from here. So let's see if they can actually do that. Let's see if tomorrow is another, weak open, strong close, or, maybe it's finally different now. Maybe the market finally pukes and Nvidia makes its way down to like 97, maybe even closer to like the low 90s. That's going to be the question, to see how the market responds to all this noise, if you will, tomorrow. So let's see. But again, to me, the key levels right now for Nvidia, short term, I guess, 106 roughly, and again 110 to 113. Daily closures above or below are the main things. Now again, obviously if Nvidia closes below 106 and shows that weakness, don't be surprised to see 97 probably pretty quickly, honestly. And of course below that we have 90 as well, right? Those are the main two levels below that I would expect Nvidia to at the very least stop the bleeding. But let's see how that plays out. That's going to be the main thing to look out for in that sense. Nvidia right at that 116 level right here. If I go to the extended hours, you can see. So if there's a place for the bulls to step in right here, right now, I mean, hey, this is it right here. Let's see. What is the other thing? The other thing is obviously the weekly. The weekly is the one I'm still obviously, not, I guess, the biggest fan of. Pretty simply put, because we're just still getting that rough rejection from this, breakdown. I mean, so far it's like a breakdown. We'll see how the week closes, especially after this carnage. Below this channel, right? Essentially, the bulls want to start getting candle closures, ideally, like at least above 110, right? At least above 110, in my opinion, for a little bit of extra comfort. But 110 to 113, daily chart, 1 hour chart, weekly chart, they all show that, at least to me, that 110 to 113 level, it's pretty important, guys. It's pretty important. That level is the level that you want to see Nvidia break and hold above on the 1 hour, on the daily, on the weekly, because that's going to be crucial to determine what happens next. Because Nvidia, if it cannot do that, and especially if it starts closing below 106 on the daily, that's going to be concerning, and that would even further tell me that this is just going to be a move heading lower to, again, 97, to as low as about closer to 90 itself, right? Pretty much in the 90s. It'll definitely be in the double digits. So let's see how this plays out, guys. Let's see how this plays out. I mean, yeah, the market's not happy right now. The market is very unhappy about what happened today, I guess you can say. So yeah, let's see. I mean, that's probably the main way to look at it without overcomplicating it too much. VIX has some spikes in call premium that I share with my members. So that's, I'm not surprised. I mean, with the market puking, the VIX will probably spike. So let's see how that plays out. XPX 8.3 million at 421. I'm actually kind of curious what time that was. 8.3 million on SPY came in. I'll go here. 8.3 million at 421. What was 421? That'll be 16 right here. 421. Wow, someone bought it like at the top. Okay, that was at the top. Yikes. Anyways, well, there's that. But anyways, go to Nvidia. Let's take a look at the Nvidia options flow. I mean, a lot of bullish flow actually came in towards the end of the day. So these are all very much underwater, unless, of course, the market has another one of those very weak opens to very strong closes. Again, this is the only hope to save these positions because they're weekly or like 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out. These are pretty short term that I'm seeing over here. A lot of bullish flow towards the end of the day. Very nice bullish flow. But as we know, with the market currently reacting the way it is, yeah, that probably wasn't a very good call by these people. So again, the market would pretty much need to have one of those weak open strong closes for the 4th day in a row for these to be saved, or else, yeah, those are not looking too good. And in terms of confirmed bearish or bullish flow, Nvidia is going to be confirmed 8 million bullish flow, which isn't too crazy, but yeah, the market's continuing to puke. The market is, the market's not very happy. Let's be honest here. The market is not reciprocating. Keyword, they're reciprocating. That's the word he always uses. It's not very happy. Robinhood's not happy. Yeah, a lot of things are just not very happy across the board. Hey, Google's trying to find a little some there, but yeah, the market's not very happy. So let's see how this actually opens up tomorrow. Let's see how the market actually reacts tomorrow. Do we get a weak open, strong close, or do we not? Let's see how Nvidia reacts tomorrow as well to these key levels that I just mentioned. Can it hold these key levels again? To very quickly reiterate, 106, very, very important. The bulls want to pretty much hold 106. It's actually well below that now, which is a little concerning, but it is after hours, right? You have to take that with a grain of salt, of course. Could change pretty quickly, especially the way it's moving lately. Never know. And again, the upside is without question. Let me go ahead and move this a bit. The upside is without question going to be a move back above, again, 110 to 113. Those are the key levels. And the main concern for me on Nvidia, at least as of right now, is the fact that the weekly still looks a little bit on the more questionable side, which, there's still 2 days left. And based on the last 3 days, like I said, looking at SPY, it's good. This could have just been a bear flag retest and the move lower. But anyway, the main things to look out for on SPY and, Nvidia, again, like I said, 3 days in a row of weak opens to strong closes. Can we get a 4th? That would be very bullish. I don't know if we'll get it, but that would be very bullish. So yeah, let's see, guys. Tomorrow should be another spicy day, as if, we haven't had enough of them. It just feels like it's just like a circus show in the stock market lately, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace.